Hi friends, welcome to new tutorial of Python. This is Harsha, and in this tutorial friends we are going to learn about operators and operands. What is operator and what is operands? Before seeing this video guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please hit like button. Thank you. Let us start the tutorial friends. In Python there is something called as operators. Not in Python, in every programming language there is something called as operators. What is operators means? Operators is some symbol, some kind of symbol. It will do some calculation and return some value. For example, let us take the example of some addition like 2 plus 5. Here plus is a symbol, means plus we will call it as operator. There are various types of operators in Python friends. Namely, a few operators include arithmetic operators, comparison operators, like that. So many types of operators are there in Python. We are going to learn only one type of operator today, that is arithmetic operator. First friends, let us start with the new project in PyCharm. I am opening the PyCharm by start menu.
All apps list. Python idle left Python 3.8 module .pycharm community edition 2020.1 variables -pycharm project tool window panel preview.
And this is my previous project which is open now. I will close the project by pressing Alt F.
File menu select.
I went to file menu and
Exit power save managed and battery low save file setting. Rename close project J.
I got the option called as close project. I will close the project.
Desktop list. Welcome to PyCharm.
After closing the project, it came on the desktop, and I focus to PyCharm window by pressing Alt Tab. Then I will create a new project called as operators.
Create new project button space. List location pan list your Python selected location pan D blank.
In the location edit box, I will type the project name.
EFTITNU //
So I will type the project name as operators.
EFRAV blank OPERATORS edit focus C : users new couple of basic browse make cancel but create button space PyCharm.
I created a project. It may take some time to create project.
Project tool window panel level 2 operators C : users /Harsha HD /PyCharm projects /operators selected collapsed 1 of 3.
I created my project, and I focused on my project window, and
external operators C : users /Harsha HD /PyCharm projects /operators selected collapsed 1 of 3 level 2.
It is collapsed now. My project is collapsed. I will expand it.
Level 2 operators C : users /Harsha HD /PyCharm projects /operators selected expanded.
I expanded by right arrow, and I'll create a new Python file here by pressing applications, going to new submenu.
New create new menu file. The Python file. Project tool window panel edit blank.
I pressed enter on Python file, and I will type what is called as operator 1.
OPERATOR 1.
It's a file name.
Project tool window panel operator 1.py tab control operator 1.py tab selected C : users back.
The file got loaded, and I focused on the editor window, and
blank editor for operator 1.py edit focused blank.
It is blank now. Friends, as I told, operator means it's a symbol, and it only what it will do is it will calculate some value, means calculate the given values, and returns any result. I will introduce to a new function friends in this program called as input. So what input will do is, you saw in the previous tutorial the print function. The print function was printing the values or anything, whatever we give inside the brackets, means print open the parenthesis, whatever we print inside that, we want to print inside that, we are giving that. Same as the input function works. So input function, what it will do means it will take the input from the user, means it will take input from the user's keyboard. Let me see how to use this function. And one note about this, friends, this function returns some value, means whatever the user enters, it will return that value. Let us take two variables now, a and b, and let me use input function for that, storing value.
Equals I P list U input left parent line prompt right parent dash editor for operator left parent right parent.
So underscore prompt you heard as the argument, means whatever I want to give the prompt to the user, like
Left right parent
inside the bracket I'm writing
quote E T off space A T A E space A L E O F space A quote right equals input left parent quote enter the value of A quote right parent.
So I wrote as a is equal to input open the parenthesis enter the value of a, and the same like that only I will use another input function for storing the b value.
B list equals editor for operate I and P T input left editor for left right parent quote E and T off space L E space F space B quote right line.
So whatever we want to ask the prompt, we will write in quotation mark.
B equals input left parent quote enter the value of B quote right parent.
It will ask to the user enter the value of b as a message, and after the user enters the value, any value, it will, and if the user presses enter after entering the value, it will store the value inside the b variable.
Blank B blank.
So when we take the input, friends, like this, it will normally stored in the form of string type. You know already what is string. I hope you watched the previous tutorials. So it will normally stored in the form of string types.
B blank.
So I will print the variable types now, both a and b, by using print function now.
PRI print N print left parent editor left right parent T deleter left type Y type dash built-in select edit E right parent left parent A list a selected one A right B print left parent type left parent a right parent.
So print open the parenthesis type of a, means we are using off for bracket here. I opened the bracket after type now, that is used means conveyed as off.
Blank print left parent type left parent a right blank.
Then I printed the type of a, and in the next line I will print the type of b variable.
P-I-N-T print left editor for operator 1.py at left print left parent line right parent T-Y type dash built editor E right parent left parent B list B selected B print left parent type left parent B right parent.
So I printed the type of b. Let us run the program.
Run menu select run alt plus shift plus operator 1 list item operator 1.py tab control operator 1.py tab selected C : users back,
And I'm going to run tab by pressing control tab.
list 2:4 run selected 3 of 9 rerun operator 1 button focus.
It's focused on rerun operator, and I will press shift tab now.
Console tab control enter the value of A quote C.
It is asking the enter the value of a. I press end key and I will enter the value of a.
5 enter the value of A5 enter the value of A5 enter the value of B blank.
So it is asking now enter the value of b, because of the two input function that we defined in first two lines. That's why it is asking.
7 enter the value of B7 process finished with exit code 0.
So our program got end, and let's see whether it printed the type of a and b.
Less class str greater.
So even when we enter a number, it will take in the form of string. So friends, if it takes in the form of string, then how we can do addition?
Print.
So addition is done only when the variable is in the form of integer or float. So we can convert this string into integer by doing the following, friends. There is a function called as int function, means inside the int function we will write input function. So I will show that how to do.
B. Print left parent. Type left parent. Blank.
I am deleting these two lines now.
B.
Whatever I printed, the type of A and type of B,
Blank. B. A.
then
B. A.
only the two lines are there now. A is equal to input enter A value, and B is equal to input enter B value.
B. A. A. E. I.
So before input A, after A is equal to, and before input I will type a function name called as int.
I. N. Input left pair T. Int dash built-in selected one of int dash built-in T. I.
Int, open the parenthesis,
Left parent. Left I. Left A equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the value of A quote right parent. Line.
so I opened the parenthesis for int function,
Right.
and I want to close
Line.
the parenthesis at the end of the line.
Right parent. A equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the value of A quote right parent. Right parent.
The input function is surrounded by int function now. So what it will do is, it will take the user, means it will take the user input and store it in the form of integer variable instead of string variable.
B. A equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the value of A quote right parent. B equals input left. Line. B equals I. N. Int dash built-in selected editor of T. I. Left parent. Line. Right parent. A. B equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the value of B quote right parent. Right parent.
The same thing I done for B now. Let us try to store in another variable by calculating this A and B.
C list equals editor for op A list a selected one of 20 plus editor B list B selected B select B B C equals a plus B C
So here friends, C is the variable name,
equals
and is equal to is assigning the some values. Is equal to means assigning some values, and
A plus B.
A plus B means normal arithmetic calculation. A plus B means here A and B came from the user input. The values of A and B came from the user's input, and it is adding the user input values, and it is storing in the C variable.
C equals A plus B.
Plus is the what we will call it as arithmetic operator, means arithmetic plus operators.
Plus B B C equals a plus B. Blank. Blank.
Okay, so we are done with the 3 lines of program, and let me print the variable of C now. What it will print, let me see.
P I N print left editor left right C C selected one of 29 at C print left parent C right parent.
So I printed the C variable. Now I will run the program.
Run menu selected. Menu run operator 1.py tab control. Operator 1.py tab selected C. List 2:4 colon. Run up. Console tab control. Quote C colon. Enter the value of A. Blank.
Now it is asking enter the value of A. I will type 10.
1 0. Enter the value of A 10. Enter the value of B.
So it is asking the value of enter the value of B, and I'll type 30.
3 0. Enter the value of B 30. Process finished with exit code 0.
It is went to end line of the program output, and I'll press up arrow now.
Blank 40.
So it is printed as 40. A plus B means A we given as for A we given as 10, and for B we given as 30. So it added. So A plus B is the normal arithmetic additional operator. A plus B became 40, and 40 got stored in C variable.
Blank 40. Operator 1. Blank print.
So this is how the addition operator works in Python, friends. There are some more arithmetic operators, that is dash symbol for subtracting, star symbol for multiplying, slash symbol for dividing. Friends, one thing in dividing, if you are dividing like 8 divided by 3 or 4 divided by 3, it will give output in the form of float. If you want to divide and to get result in the form of integer, friends, you will use 2 divided by symbol means 2 slash symbol, like 8 double slash 3, 4 double slash 3, like that. So 8 double slash 3 will give the answer as 2. 4 double slash 3 will give the answer as 1. So let me see all the example, and the last two arithmetic operators are there. That is, one is modulus. We'll call it as modulus operator. What is the functionality of modulus operator means, if you want to find a remainder, for example, remainder means if you type 21% 5, 21 is the left hand side and 5 will be on the right hand side, and percent is the operator here. So if you divide, means if you divide 21 divided by 5, you will get the answer of 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20, and there will be no chance of getting onto 21. 4 into 5 is 20 and 1 is the remainder. So the modulus operator result will be the 1. To calculate directly like that, we will use modulus operator. For example, I will give another example. 25 percentage 6. 25 percentage 6. So it will also give the result of 1. Why? Because 25 divided by 6 is 4, and 6 4s are 24, and the remainder will be 1. So it will give the remainder 1 as the answer. The last operator, friends, is double star operator. Means we will use 2 star symbol. That is the power of operator. Basically you use in the mathematical term 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4 means like 2 to the power of 3 means you will multiply 2 3 times, like 2 into 2 into 2. To avoid those thing, you have an inbuilt operator in Python called as exponential operator. We will call it as exponential operator, double star operator. So what it will do, it will do powers and give the result. Let me see all of the operators together now. Let me calculate, let me take two values and calculate all of the operator and print all the variables that operator gave the result.
A equals in left parent, input left parent, quote enter the value. B equals in left parent, input left parent, quote enter the value of B quote right parent, right parent.
So we already took two inputs, A and B inputs, and
C equals a plus B.
We done the arithmetic addition calculation in C variable.
Line B. C blank, C blank.
Then in the fourth line, I am doing D is equal to
D equals editor for operator A list dash B list B select B selected B line C D equals a dash B.
I done the arithmetic subtraction operator, means A dash symbol and B.
D blank D equals a dash B blank.
E is equal to
E list equals editor for operator 1 dot.
E is equal to A
list
into B star B.
Star B list B select D equals a dash B. E equals a star B. E blank E equals a star blank.
Then I will do the division now.
E equals a blank. F lit equals editor A lit slash B list B.
So for division,
B F equals a slash B.
for division we used the symbol called as slash.
Line F blank.
Then we go with the modulus operator. G is equal to
G equals A list percent B list B select B selected F equals a slash B. G equals a percent B.
So I done G. I typed G is equal to A percent B. I stored the A percent B calculation into G variable. So don't confuse, friends. Here percentage symbol means it's not some calculation of percentage and all. It's calculation of remainder. Then I will type H is equal to
H list equals editor for operator 1 dot pi A star star B list B selected 1 editor for operator 1 dot.
So H is equal to A double star B. What it will do means it will give the power of A to the power of B. As I said, 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. If A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 means it will give the result of 8.
H equals a star star B. H blank.
Then I is equal to
I list equals editor for up.
A double slash
A slash B list. Editor. H I equals a slash B.
So I is equal to A double slash B. What it will do means it will divide the A and B. For example, I gave 8 divided by 3 is some around 2 point something like that. But it will not take the decimal symbol here. It will only take the what only the integer of 2, and it will store the value in I variable.
H I equals a slash B.
Let we try to print all the values now, all the variables. Now not values, it's a variable.
Print left.
So when you print a variable, it automatically prints the values inside it.
Print left parent, C right parent, line B.
So I printed the C variable already, and I will start to print from D onwards now.
Print blank. PRIN. Print left parent. Editor for operator. Print left parent. Right parent. Print I equals a slash print left.
So before printing C, friends, I will print the value of A and B also. So you will get the clarity that what are the values it came in the A and B.
P. Blank I blank. Blank. PRIN. Print left editor left right A list editor for up I print left parent a right parent.
So after I printing A variable,
blank.
Then
PRINT print left editor left right B list B select print left parent B right parent.
I printed B variable.
Print left parent C right parent.
Then I already printed C variable.
Print left parent right parent.
So I want to print in the next line.
Line right parent D list D selected editor for print left parent D right parent.
D and until I will print now.
Print blank. PRIN. Print editor left right I list I selected one of E list E select print left parent E right parent line. Print blank. PRIN. Print left editor left right parent F list editor for print left parent F right parent line. Print blank. PRIN. Print left editor for operate left right G editor for print left parent G right parent line. Print blank. Print left editor left right parent. H list H select print left parent H right line. Print blank. PRIN. Print editor for left right parent I list I selected print left parent I right parent blank. Print left parent H right print left parent I right blank. Print.
So I printed through A to what I variable. Now let us try to run and see our output, friends.
Run menus. Run operator 1 dot py tab control operate list 2 4 colon rerun up console quotes enter the value of A.
So it is asking enter the value of A. I will just type 10
10 enter the value of A 10
and
enter the value of B.
It is asking now enter the value of B. I will type 3
enter the value of B3. Process finished with exit code 0.
And it calculated all the values what we are given, and it is stored in A, in C variable and D variable up to I variable, and it got printed. So let me see the printed result now.
Quotes. Enter the value of A10. Enter the value of B3. 10.
So when we print the value of A,
10.
it is printed as 10.
3.
When we print the value of B, it is printed as 3.
13.
So 10 plus 3. When we print the C, 13 it printed
7.
So 10 minus 3 means A minus B, A dash B. If you printed D variable,
7.
it printed 7.
30.
And 10 into 3 is stored in E variable. When we print that, it printed as
30.
30.
3.333333333333333.
So see here, when we print the F variable, A divided by B, it printed as 3.333 something like that.
3.333333333.
So it came in the form of float.
3.33333333333.
So then we'll go to next.
1.
So 10% 3 is 1. Why? Because 10 divided by 3 you will get 3, and uh, the nearest 3 into 3 is 9, and the remainder will be 1. That's why it will what give the result as the remainder as 1.
1 1 1 1 1000 1.
And in the next when we print the what a stars a double star b means 10 double star 3, 10 to the power of 3, it will do 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 100 into 10 1000, it will print 1000.
1000.
So we got the correct result, and then at last we will print a double slash b means 10 double slash 3. It will what it should print as 3, the normal integer value, sorry, it should print as 3.
3.
So we got all the result as correctly.
Blank.
And this is how about the arithmetic operators, friends, how we will calculate the arithmetic values, and how we will store in the variables. And in the beginning we took input. So if we use normal input function with the prompt that we ask for the user, so
A equals in left parent, input left parent, quote enter the value of A, quote right parent.
so prompt we are asking as enter the value of A in the quotation mark inside the input function. So if we use normal input function, it will give the value, it will take input from the user, and it will give the value of user entered in the form of string. And if we want input to give any value, if you want input function to give any value in the form of other types, we will use the necessary type function. So here we want input to give in the form of integer. That's why we used int function before input.
A equals int left parent, input left parent, quote enter the value of A, quote right parent, right parent.
So A is equal to int open the parenthesis, in the int open the parenthesis we will type input function, and we will close two brackets, one is for the input function and one is for the int function. It will store the value of user entered, and it will store the user entered value in the form of integer to the A variable.
B.
The same happens with B variable.
B equals int left parent, input left parent, quote enter the value of B, quote right parent, right parent.
Friends, like this only there are other functions to take in the types of input, such as you can take in the form of float by using float function. One more thing I want to convey to you, this
B equals A plus B.
so the C is equal to A plus B, we wrote, no, we will call
C equals A plus.
we will call A plus B the combination of operators and operands. So
A.
here the operands are A and B
Plus B.
are the operands. So operands will merge with the operator, and it will produce a result.
Plus A plus B.
So this whole the combination of operators and operands, we will call it as expression, one expression, so called as A plus B. Here A and B are the operands, plus is the operator, and A plus B, when we merge together, it is called as expression. So that's it with the arithmetic operator, friends. Hope you like this tutorial. I will be back with a few more types of operators, friends, in the next tutorial, and there is one more thing called as operator precedence. I will explain in the next coming tutorials. So until then, bye for all of you, friends. Thank you.